changing the chain on the Ryobi P2501 pole saw. Only using the tool that comes with the actual unit, getting the chain on correctly. This is your cutter right here, and that has to be facing forward as your chain goes around this way. If you put it on backwards, is if you actually try and cut something, it's just going to bounce on the limb.